wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best Asian cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, Sushi the Beginner's Guide walks you through all the steps necessary in moving from newbie to roll-making master. Along with close-up photographs and detailed explanations, the author provides a wide and useful range of recipes. It includes excellent clear images and Japanese names for foods. However, there aren't many vegetarian options. At number 9, the Pho Cookbook will show you how to whip up dozens of versions of this iconic Vietnamese meal in your own kitchen, as well as companion dishes, snacks, salads, and sides. It also provides a deep dive into the staple's history and a guide on techniques and ingredients. It's highly accessible and was the winner of the James Beard Award, but it is scant on photographs of food. Coming in at number 8 on our list, focusing on Chinese cuisine, The Essential Wok will teach you how to cook healthier versions of popular takeout dishes at home. It includes step-by-step illustrations to make complex techniques easier, plus tips on swapping out ingredients to customize the recipes. It includes a chapter on dim sum and dumplings and handy measurement conversion charts. However, it is too basic for experienced cooks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Asian cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Momofuku by David Chang and Peter Meehan has helped revolutionize how Americans cook Asian cuisine with their dedication to mastering foods, flavors, and exotic fares. It's more than just a cookbook, as it also tells the stories behind the creation of many of the recipes. It chronicles Chang's rise to fame and includes an extensive chapter on noodle dishes, but note that some of the meals are labor-intensive. Moving up our list to number 6, Japanese Soul Cooking, which offers over 100 recipes, has 2 goals. First, it seeks to introduce Japanese comfort food such as ramen and udon soup to American cooks, and second, it tries to make this cuisine approachable and accessible for all skill levels. It's thoughtfully laid out with foolproof directions and Tokyo restaurant recommendations. Halfway up our list at number 5, Vegan Richa's Indian Kitchen will help expose you to new spices and flavors that you might have previously found daunting and teach you to create exotic and healthy Indian food. It also contains a range of mouth-watering desserts and breads. It makes vegetables the star ingredients, and there are no complex processes. It's a useful gift for new vegans. At number 4, Stir Frying to the Sky's Edge doesn't focus on any particular regional style of cooking. Instead, it provides you with more than 100 traditional stir-fry recipes and is designed to help you become an authority by outlining the essential wok techniques and tools. It teaches time-saving tips and includes helpful shopping advice. It's good for cooks of all skill levels. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, written by restaurant owner and cutthroat kitchen judge Jet Tina, 101 Dishes will have you whipping up everything from Korean barbecue ribs to Vietnamese banh mi sandwiches. Sriracha lovers will be especially interested in this book as it teaches you to make your own. The recipes are authentic and it includes a history of the dishes along with a foreword by Alden Brown. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Asian cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Maangchi's Real Korean Cooking covers all types of traditional Korean comfort food, from simple, few-ingredient dishes to complex restaurant-style eats. It includes a full glossary of terms and pantry staples that will help familiarize you with the basics of this cuisine. It features a whole chapter on kimchis and pickles, step-by-step pictures, and substitution suggestions. And taking the top spot on our list, if you're intimidated by the idea of learning a new type of cuisine, pick up Lucky Peach, which features 101 recipes that are both easy and delicious. It provides a nice balance of classic and traditional dishes with some more modern, unconventional flavor combinations. This one's great for beginners and includes detailed explanations of ingredients. It boasts a clean and simple layout. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Asian cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.